Welcome. I'm back. It's been a while. This is mostly I got a new computer, totally had to recreate a lot of my setup. And so this is partly like a is everything still working stream. So obviously the streaming is working because Ben's in the chat and so on. And I've got the show my chat working again. But I don't know if this desktop audio is too loud. Just let me know. Audio sounding great too. Thanks. I'm glad. Is the background music too loud? Just let me know if it is, and I can turn it down, or if it's not loud enough. Let me know, because I don't have the audio levels where I was. I can't remember where I set them. So, but yeah, I'm on a totally new computer, new everything. So, but yeah, what's up? Glad you guys could join. So, just a little catch up on some history here. I've been actually, well, yeah, this is fine. Well, I was going to show you what I've been doing for the last month or so. I've actually been working on the solid.js hack for their hackathon. And if you come into vote submissions, you can actually come in there and you can check it out. I've already done mine, but if you look under best ecosystem utility, there we are, solid Bedrock Layout. So if you wouldn't mind, I would love some love, some voting love on this, and you can check it out over at solid.bedrock layout. This site is built 100% in solid.js. Oh, there's 4 stars now. Let's see here. How do you... No, I don't want to unstart. How do I see who start? I swear, you used to be able to click this and it would show you. I don't want to create a list. Am I wrong? Like, when you click on this used to show you the stars, right? Maybe I have to go into the insights. Let's see here. People. I don't remember. Anyway, here's the solid Bedrock, the Bedrock version of it. Oh, you click there, it's stars. Anyway, that's that. So if you want, I would love some extra love tours here. This is just the basic port from solid.js. But anyway, I thought I would just go ahead and just start, I wanted to kind of actually see if we can start using vitest. So right now I've got everything set up with stop clicking on things. I'm using Jest, but I thought maybe we could try out vitest, see if I can get this working. I've never done this, have no plan, so let's just see what happens. By the way, if there's any experts on vitest, just let me know. That would be great. Let's see here. So getting started, do they have a straight up converting from Jest? Yeah. Ben, you finally acknowledged Brent is here. Awesome. Alright, so let's just go with getting started. And let's popping in and out. Yeah, I know, I hear you. So let's just do that. Yarn add. Oh, I always forget to make my screen a little streamer friendly so you guys can actually read what I'm doing. Yarn add -d vitest. Have to do -w. Okay. It's going to do a little rebuilding of everything. And let's see here. One of the main advantages of vitest is its unified configurations with Vite. Is it? I'm assuming that's how you say it, vitest, because it's Vite, right? Anyway, if present, vitest will read your root viteconfig.ts to match with the plugins and setup of your Vite app. Okay. So I'll have each one of these have a Vite config. Oops. Vitest, yep. Brenton, are you an expert at vitest? Or just how to say it? So it looks like I'm gonna need like a Vite config. Nope, no clue, just know of. Yeah, something I've been like wanting to do for a while, because I know I build everything with Vite. I know Storybook has a Vite. I know this is something, but I kind of want to push this off a little bit. But I just want to basically move everything to Vite if I can get there. So the next big thing is to get away from Jest and go to vitest if I can. Because then I can get rid of all this babble and yeah, and I can just like every root directory, maybe get rid of some of all this like junk. Playwright is what Kit is baking in, but I like to look at what's out there. I don't test, but like to stay informed a little. Yeah. Playwright, I'm just getting introduced to Playwright. Like I don't know if everyone knows, I recently moved to Plex. So I'm now, in fact, and specifically, I'm doing kind of double duty. We have like an internal design system called Chroma, which I am helping work on, but I'm also working on this page right here. Watch.plex.tv. This is a Next.js app. And anyway, we are using Playwright, and I've never used Playwright before. So I'm learning about that as we go. So let's see here. Configuring vitest. So Playwright's kind of like becoming like the next big thing, isn't it? Like I had heard of it, but like this is the first time I'm actually using it. Plex, I know. This is like my dream job. I am so big into movies and TV shows and entertainment. And I, of course, have my own Plex server. So working for Plex is so exciting. And gotta throw this out there, Plex is hiring. And if you want to go, you can check out careers or DM me. I can send you something. Anyway, it's really cool. This was the coolest part. Is this hardware stipend? Is every other place I've been to, they just go, okay, here's your computer. We bought you a computer, and then if you leave, you eventually have to go give that back. At Plex, they just go buy a computer. Here's your stipend, and it's your computer. Anyway. Ben, this feels like one of those ES build style tools that appears seemingly out of nowhere and just takes over like wildfire. That's basically like what we're in. Like, it used to be like a new framework every other day, right? I think the new like thing that we're like consolidating on is our new build tools, and it seems like, yeah, Vite is becoming like the, lack of better terms, the React of build tools. And it's kind of winning and taking over everything. So, yeah. So let's go here. I got distracted. So I installed vitest. And then if we have a vite config, I'll take higher priority. I can pass a config. Or use environment variables to configure vitest itself. Add a test property. In your vite config, you'll need to add reference to the vitest types using / command. Top of your config file. Well, let's just start breaking things and see if I can get it to work. And then maybe we'll see if we can get this vite config working. Let's see here. Your npm scripts or run it directly with npx test. So let's find an easy one. Let's just grab the center one and let's add a test. Where's the scripts? Let's see if we can get this working on just one of these. Dude, where did I put the scripts here? Oh, scripts. Oh yeah, tests. I don't do those individually, that's right. So it is at the root. We're gonna go test. And what are we supposed to put? Vitest. And let's try that. Let's go yarn test vitest. Let's see what happens. Oh, Vite. Okay. Well, that failed. So, yeah, break all the things. That's my philosophy about everything. That's, in fact, what I've been doing with this new code base as I've joined this week. Is like, just jump in, start making changes, see what breaks, and then I get to understand how things work. So, yeah. Those all failed. That's fun. Let's see. What if we did this and we'll just say center so we can focus on just one. Okay. So it's running the center test. Failed to parse source for import analysis because content contains invalid JS syntax. Okay. Do I need to, or TS extension? So I think I'm going to need to get a vite config at this root level, which I haven't had to do yet. But yeah. Let's just copy this and we'll just start there. Vite config. Let's see. Interest. So you don't have. Oh, we got define config. Don't necessarily want. Or let's just see what happens. So yeah, I need to center test failed to parse source for import, and I think I'm pretty confident it's because if we come in to the test, I'm importing the TSX file. Let's go back to Vite. And I can't remember. I actually did something. So what we've got for Jess is we're saying, hey, here's the presets, and we have a TypeScript in here. So whenever it pulls in the Just, it's actually compiling. And so I would hope Vite would do the same thing. So let's see here, Vite config. What is the config? Well, let's look up maybe Vite config React. Well, that didn't help. Because it's obviously complaining about the TSX. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Let me see. Base Vite React. Is that what I need in here? Let's just take out a bunch of this and just go base Vite React. Maybe not. Oh, is this maybe their specific config? Or is this just an example? Oh, let's just keep playing. Yeah, this continues fail. Interesting. Ah, here's the little thing. Add it to existing. React refresh. Beat up your dev server with a change build tool from React V. Install this package. Okay, maybe I just need this. Let's try this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Yarn add -d. Let's delete the things we don't want. Okay. Let's put this. Still problem. Okay. Failed to parse source for import analysis because the content contains invalid. Which I did. Oh. Let's. Well, I didn't save that file. That, first of all, is an important one. Always save your files before you test it out. That didn't work. Let's go back to add test property to your vconfig. You'll need to add a okay. So this is saying we need to add this. It says we need to add our tests. So now, yeah, now we need to actually do some of these. Oh, let's see, what does it have up here? Exclude. Inline. Yeah. To get typeset working. The go. Oh, with globals. TS config. Oh, we would need that. Okay. And I think we need to get the globals, and then we need to have this in our TS config. We have oh, and I think I need to do we need to have JS DOM. What's the difference between JS DOM and Happy DOM? If you're building well, Happy DOM. What is Happy DOM? I never even know Happy. I knew JS DOM, but I never heard of Happy DOM. JS DOM versus Happy DOM. So let's see here. Has anyone heard of Happy DOM before? Various web centers using Node.js, but without the graphical user interface, it includes many web centers. Looks like it's just a competitor. Just anyway, interesting. So let's say we need to by adding a vitest environment doc block or comment on top of the file, you can allow the environment to be used. So I would just have to. So this means I just have to go environment and say JS DOM, right? Still failing. Can't get that. Let's see. I just can't even get one to work. Root reporters. Global setup. Let's see here. Wonder, let's do a Google search here. Just to read. So vitest. Let's see here. Oh, here's a migration guide. Oh, yeah. Here's the thing. Appears that vitest does not know how to parse them. If I just change the file name. So do I have to change the file name? So let's just check that out. Examples, non-examples test, JSX. Unit test center. Oh yeah, I guess I will have to, like, one by one change these to JSX. Okay, fine. I can handle that. Let's maybe put this back in. Vitest center. Still have this problem. Doesn't know about what mock restore is. So let's go there. Let's search mocking. Maybe I have to do mock reset. Reset. It still doesn't know. Let's see here. How do we mock? Oh, so yeah, we can't. If we did, oh yeah, I did just bion, so I need to change this to V, which it doesn't know exists. Oh, look at that. It wrote 2 new snapshots. Oh yeah, because they're under JSX. So interesting. So what if we... What if we quit this? We're gonna delete this file. And let's just name that JSX and see what happens. Look at that. It wrote 8 new tests. Oh yeah, because... Oh yeah, because before... yeah, style components, just style components does this thing where it fixes its weird names and puts it in a more test friendly way. This might be a deal breaker for using vitest, but let's see here. Just style components vitest. Or maybe I just have to go vitest styled components. Maybe one of these things I had to do was set up tests, and I had to import this just style components. Interesting. This may not work right out of the box, but let's see here. Just styled components. Let's go back here. I wonder if it will work though out of the box. Let's just copy this onto the center. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's just say we update the snapshots. What does that look like? So these class names aren't even getting applied. Yeah. So that's not good. I need the... I'm sure this is relying on like jest itself. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay. So now that I've broken enough things, I think the biggest thing that at this moment that's keeping me from maybe adopting this is getting this jest styled components to work. And here, I'm gonna do something here. Let's just discard all these changes. Let's quit. Let's restore this file so I can then turn around JSX. Okay, and then let's stage those so we can see these changes. Yeah, it's still writing new changes here. And what did it write? Yeah. I need the class name. So let's take this out. What other things do I have in the setup test, by the way? Like, yeah, I've been defining a couple things. Do I need both of these things? Actually, maybe. Let's put that back in. And now it's saying there's no problem, but if I take it out, I like that this is like watch by default. I have to tell you that. Kind of like that ergonomics of it. Like that's how quick it like just tells me everything went through. And this is so fast. Like, you notice, like, let's just compare this though, like yarn test center. Oh, it's gonna complain. Let's put the JS one back. You're in test center. Let's see what. Oh, it's gonna have a problem because I changed the name. And here, because this is now V. Let's do that V or chest. Yeah, I'm not. Restore. There. I just want to do a comparison. This is just making it really complicated. Test center. Yeah, V is not defined. I was hoping that would work. That didn't work. Let's put this back. What's it complaining about now? There we go. See, that's not bad. That runs about pretty similar. Anyway, I think we're coming right here to the end, but it was great. We got vitest to work on this branch. The solution we still need to solve, and I think I'm going to document that here in the issue. Let's go back to GitHub. Let's document that under this. We need to working version of just style components, and that works. Vitest. Honestly, I think that's the only thing left, is to get this working. But yeah, that was actually amazingly simple. So the other notes is the test files will all need to be .jsx, including the snapshot files. Just some notes to help me remember, because I don't know if I'll do this right away. But anyway, hope you enjoyed hanging around. I hope you learned some stuff. And yeah, I learned that vitest actually really good, a really good experience. And I hope we can get this solution solved quickly. But anyway, thanks for joining, and hope you guys have a great time, and hopefully I'll do these a lot more going forward. Anyway, see ya.